Tensilica has significant news today in that we are announcing we have shipped more than 2 billion processor cores over the history of Tensilica. This is a big milestone because it demonstrates how deeply Tensilica cores are penetrating into a wide variety of high-volume applications for smartphones, for digital television, for cameras, for wireless, for many kinds of functions. And that wide penetration and the use of Tensilica in all these different kinds of data plane processing applications adds up to rapid expansion in our volume. We reached 1 billion only about 15 months ago. So over our first 10 years we shipped 1 billion cores, and we've seen that accelerate such that in just a little over a year we've gone from 1 billion to 2 billion cumulative shipment. And that means we're now shipping at a rate of about 800 million cores per year, and that is accelerating, especially given that our licensing of new cores has increased a lot over the course of the last 2 or 3 years, and those licenses have yet to come into production. As they do, we will see further acceleration of our run rate, and we will quickly grow to 3, 4, 5 billion cores shipped in total. Tensilica attributes its growth to really 2 factors. One, we're really addressing a need which has been underserved. As system-on-chip designs have become more complex, there's a need for much more programmable, much more sophisticated software-driven development in the data plane, in the DSP functions, in the networking functions, in the real heavy lifting. And our ability to generate processors that fit that need really has allowed us to find opportunities where no other supplier of processor technology can go. Second, we have been able to create a level of performance, a level of optimization, and a level of automation in generating these cores that allows our customers, these big chip designers, to get to market more quickly and to ramp to volume more quickly, which has contributed to our growth in licensing and our unit volume, which leads, of course, to royalty and overall health of the business. Licensing, of course, is an important part of any intellectual property licensing business. And I think that in a business model that combines both licensing and royalty, it is licensing which is the leading indicator of the health of the franchise, the growth of the business. And Tensilica has been enjoying rapid growth. In fact, we are now the #1 license revenue company among suppliers of DSP and data plane processors. And we are #2 among all CPU DSP processor providers because of this hunger in the marketplace for better programmable, high-efficiency data plane processors. Well, I think that our rapid growth creates some opportunities, of course, for us to redouble our investment in the core technology so that we can serve these customers even better. So we're hiring significant new people into the team with expertise across a number of key vertical market areas and fundamental software technologies and fundamental processor hardware technologies. We are, in fact, moving in another week or 2 into a significantly larger building, increasing our floor space in our Santa Clara headquarters by 50%, and really putting ourselves in a position to serve these customers more completely and to really help them drive their next generation of innovation as they're building new products that go into LTE wireless, go into base stations and networks and imaging devices and PC platforms and smartphones and this wide spectrum of application areas where the Tensilica cores are a key part of our customers' innovation.